So let's see what we have in the refrigerator today. Let's start up here. This looks like some chopped garlic. And this is wonton wrappers to make wontons. And here is some crumbled gorgonzola cheese, some Italian cheese. And this is, I can't believe it's butter, a type of margarine. What else is this? Some eggplant hummus. And here is, I think, some sliced cheese. And here is, okay, some unsalted sweet cream butter. Down below we have some, okay, soy milk. A couple of soy milks back there. We have a loaf of bread, wheat bread. This looks like some Greek yogurt. And here is some sugar plum tomatoes, product of Mexico. And this looks like a half a lemon. And this looks like half cantaloupe. Down below, this is maple syrup. And this looks like soy sauce. This looks like salad dressing. And some white wine. And this is some sesame oil. And this is Worcestershire sauce for meat. One of my favorite drinks is cranberry juice. So we have up here, okay, we have some tapatio salsa, some mayonnaise, looks like it's upside down. And this is some Chinese or Vietnamese chili sauce. Here's some black vinegar. This is good stuff here. This is wasabi mayonnaise. And this looks like strawberry jam. Great stuff. And here is some Dijon mustard. And we got a carton of brown eggs. Okay, that's what my refrigerator looks like today.